This is a quick tutorial to show you how to put windows next to each other on the desktop. This is best if you have a large 17-inch monitor or on your laptop, or you have a desktop with a 24-inch like we do in the high-tech center. So I've opened up the MPC website. I've logged into my class. Let's see, and I'm working in, let's say 2-2, and I've got my video tutorial, and I've got my drive open. I'm going to start a document for 2-2. I'm going to name that. So there's a couple ways that I can do this. I could go back and forth between, say, the video here or the formatting directions that are going to show me the expectations for that assignment, but I'm going to try something different. Okay, rather than going back and forth between tabs, I'm going to take advantage of my larger desktop. So over here we have some action buttons. We have a close or exit. We have a restore down, and we have a minimize. Minimize just minimizes to the taskbar. And restore down will kind of give me a half-size window. Well, that didn't really do me much good. You know, I've got a half-size window. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to drag one of these tabs. I click on it and drag it, and now I have two tabs. I can adjust it manually using the vertical edge of the window and going down to the bottom and using the bottom right hand corner to adjust the window size. I can always do that, but there's an even easier way. I come down to the bottom and I right click on the taskbar, the bar, this long bar that goes across the bottom of the window, and I'm going to show windows side by side. Okay, so now I have two windows. I've got my document over here, and then I've got my other three tabs over here. So I'm going to go use my formatting directions, and I can use that and just go step by step, or I can go to my video tutorial. Watch my video tutorial. Now notice the video tutorial it doesn't really fit perfectly. So what I can do here is the computer adjusts it to perfect 50-50. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make this a little smaller, make this a little bigger, this window a little bigger, by clicking on the left vertical edge of the window, and I can make it as big as I need to until I can see all of that. I can also use my Control minus. Remember that little tip to get it all fit in? Click over here and adjust it to make it just perfect so I can see everything. Notice I don't really need to see over here. Now I can watch my tutorial on this side and follow the directions along on my document right here. And notice when I click on this window, say if I'm going to click and pause while I do that action over here on my document, this window will come to the forefront as it is the active window. Okay, so that's a quick tip. It's best for large monitors, 24-inch, even a 21-inch monitor, kind of the widescreen or a widescreen 17-inch laptop screen. It'll make doing things much easier because you basically have two windows though, and you can get a lot more accomplished quickly. Okay, hope this is helpful.